Planning to visit Morocco from Egypt? Here's a simple guide to the Morocco eVisa. The Morocco eVisa is an online travel authorization for short tourism or business trips. No embassy visit needed. Apply from your phone or computer. Egyptian travelers must hold a valid visa or residence permit from an eligible region. Your passport needs at least 6 months validity. Prepare a recent photo, travel and accommodation details, and proof of funds. For business visits, an invitation letter is required. To apply, visit the Morocco eVisa portal, fill in your details, upload documents, and pay the fee. Once approved, your eVisa arrives by email as a PDF. Print a copy and keep a digital version on your phone. It's linked to your passport. The eVisa is single entry, valid for 6 months, and allows a stay of up to 30 days. Double-check your details before you travel, then enjoy your trip to Morocco.